Improving your English requires a multifaceted approach that includes regular practice, immersion, and active engagement with the language. One of the most effective ways to improve is through consistent reading. Reading a variety of materials such as books, newspapers, and online articles exposes you to new vocabulary, sentence structures, and ideas. By regularly encountering the language in different contexts, you enhance your understanding of grammar, idiomatic expressions, and nuanced meanings, which collectively enrich your language proficiency. Another crucial aspect is active listening and speaking. Engaging with English through podcasts, movies, and conversations helps attune your ear to the natural flow of the language. Listening to native speakers allow you to pick up on pronunciation, intonation, and colloquial language, which are difficult to grasp through reading alone. Practicing speaking, whether with native speakers, language partners, or even through self practice, builds confidence and helps you internalize the language rhythm and vocabulary. Writing is another key component in improve your English. Regular writing practice, such as keeping a journal, composing essays, or participating in online forums, allows you to apply what you have learned in reading and listening. Writing helps you organize your thoughts, practice grammar, and experiment with new vocabulary. Feedback from others, whether through teachers, peers, or language apps, is invaluable as it provides insight into areas where you can improve. Lastly, setting specific goals and maintaining motivation is essential for language improvement. Whether your goal is to pass an English proficiency test, improve for career advancement, or simply for personal growth, having a clear objective keeps you focused. Incorporating English into your daily life, such as thinking in English, using English in social media, or setting challenges like learning a certain number of new words each week,